This is the weather radio WW.
What?
The National Weather Service in Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Dane County in south central Wisconsin until 4:45 p.m. At 3:52 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. This storm was located near Verona and moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Verona, Fitchburg, Middleton, Oregon, Madison Capitol Square, Monona, McFarland, Stoughton, Shoreland Hills, Maple Bluff, Madison Truax Airport, I-90/94 Interchange, Cottage Grove, Paoli, Henryville SU, Camp Randall Stadium, and Token Creek. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, destructive hail, deadly lightning,